Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University, and today I'm going to show you how to run a degree audit. So we're going to go over to your student module, and where you find the degree audit is under My Reports, just to the right of My Finance. If you go over here, there's a couple reports, and we've got videos on different ones. Today we're going to click on Degree Audit. What the degree audit does is it tracks your courses, the ones that you've completed so far, so you can see both your GPA and your grade, and you can see how many credits you have left in order to obtain a given degree. So you can see right here, these first couple pages are for the Associates of Arts in Theology. If you scroll down, you can see up here courses that have been taken, added, and then at the bottom you'll see that the total credits needed was 60. 60 have been completed, and you want the bottom number to be 0. If you keep scrolling, I want to show you something else. So as a second example, this one being for a bachelor's degree, right here you'll see unassigned courses that are completed, as well as an unassigned course that's in progress. If you see these, don't be alarmed. What that means is you've taken some courses that don't specifically match your program. Now, if you're going for the pastoral leadership track and you're getting an associate's in Christian ministry, if you've taken some additional theology courses, then they won't necessarily line up to what you're going for, but doesn't mean that you're necessarily in trouble or that you're behind. For instance, if this was the associate's report, then it's okay if there's extra courses if you've gone beyond your associates. In most cases, these courses just haven't been switched over yet. For example, if you were taking courses toward a degree in theology and you decide to take 1 or 2 of the pastoral leadership courses, they don't directly line up with theology, but the administrators will just take those courses and switch them to line up with your course. So they will not stay in this category for long. So if you see them here, that's just a temporary thing, and as long as you can see that you've taken them, then you know that they'll be added toward your total degree. You can also see courses that are in progress. I'm going to go back up to the top just to show you one thing. So if you see this right here, WSI, that's an example of a course that got switched over to match the requirements. So that's what you would end up seeing later on this report. So again, this is a great way just to check and see where you are as far as how many credits you need and how many you've already completed. Again, if you see something in the unassigned courses, that's just a temporary thing that will get switched over later on. And feel free to contact any of the administrators if you have questions about unassigned courses. They would be more than happy to help. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.